A program can have many inputs and outputs. In our previous program, we asked our user to enter their first name and their last name. From there, we ended up with two outputs, one for their first name and one for their last. However, the information displayed in the output can be a bit confusing. Which output is the first name? Which is the last name? Without more information, we can only guess. Let's add a short message to each output to clarify its information. Start with the variable first name, which has a value of educode and an empty console.log instruction. Add some text in that console.log. Next, to add a variable to that output, type a plus symbol and follow it with the variable name. That's it! When the program executes this line of code, it'll combine the text "your first name is" with the value of the variable first name to output "your first name is educode." Before we try this ourselves in the code editor, there's one detail to note. The reason we end the text "your first name is" with a space is because the value of our variable comes in immediately at the end of our text. So without a space, the program would merge our variable's value with the last word of our sentence. Now, let's change our existing output in the code editor. Inside the parentheses, but before the variable last name, write two quotation marks and follow it with a plus symbol. Then, between the quotation marks, write the text "your last name is." When you're ready, run your code and see how it makes the purpose of each output more clear.